This video will guide you through the process of replacing the evaporative emissions (EVAP) vent control valve on a 2015 Nissan Altima. The evaporative emission (EVAP) canister vent control valve is located on the EVAP canister near the left rear wheel well. Begin by removing the EVAP canister vent control valve. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns. Always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is in park, on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. 1. Use a lift to raise and support the vehicle. 2. Disconnect the electrical connector from the vent control valve. 3. Disconnect the breather hose from the vent control valve. 4. Turn the vent control valve counterclockwise to the unlock position. 5. Remove the vent control valve and O-ring from the EVAP canister. Discard the O-ring. Finally, install the new EVAP canister vent control valve. 1. Install a new O-ring on the vent control valve. 2. Install the vent control valve in the EVAP canister. Turn the valve clockwise to the lock position. 3. Reconnect the breather hose to the vent control valve. 4. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the vent control valve. This concludes the procedure for replacing the evaporative emission (EVAP) canister vent control valve on a 2015 Nissan Altima. Thank you for watching.